Power of Visualization. Sylvester Stallone's incredible journey. Act 1. The underdog's beginning. In the bustling streets of New York City, a young man with a crooked smile and slurred speech struggles to make ends meet. This is Sylvester Stallone, a nobody with big dreams. His childhood was marked by his parents' bitter divorce and constant bullying due to his unique appearance. Stallone bounces from one odd job to another, cleaning lion cages at the zoo, working as a movie theater usher, even appearing in an adult film for a measly $200. But through it all, a fire burns within him. He wants to be an actor, a star, despite not having the conventional looks of a leading man. Act 2. The Vision and the Gamble. One fateful night in 1975, Stallone watches a boxing match between Muhammad Ali and Chuck Wepner. Something clicks. In a burst of inspiration, he locks himself away and furiously writes for 3 days straight. The result? The script for Rocky. Studios love the script, offering Stallone up to $360,000. A fortune for the struggling actor. But there's a catch. They don't want him to star in it. Stallone, nearly broke and with a pregnant wife, makes the boldest gamble of his life. He refuses to sell unless he can play Rocky. Act 3. The triumph against all odds, a studio finally agrees to Stallone's demands. With a shoestring budget and just 28 days to film, Rocky is born. The movie becomes a sensation, earning 10 Academy Award nominations and winning 3, including Best Picture. Overnight, Stallone transforms from a struggling actor to a millionaire and a star. The man once mocked for his appearance becomes a symbol of perseverance and the American dream. The moral of the story, Sylvester Stallone's journey, teaches us several powerful lessons. Believe in yourself. Despite facing constant rejection and ridicule, Stallone never gave up on his dream. Visualize your success. Stallone's ability to see himself as Rocky, even when others couldn't, was crucial to his triumph. Take calculated risks. Stallone's refusal to sell his script unless he starred in it was a huge gamble that paid off enormously. Hard work beats talent. Stallone's dedication to writing and perfecting his craft ultimately overcame his lack of conventional leading man looks. Your greatest weakness can become your strength. Stallone turned his unique appearance and voice into his trademark, proving that what makes you different can make you successful. In the end, Sylvester Stallone's story reminds us that with unwavering determination, a clear vision, and the courage to take risks, anyone can overcome seemingly insurmountable odds and achieve their dreams. Just like Rocky Balboa, it's not about how hard you can hit, but how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward.